Now you've got your data in Desmos, but look at that graph. You can only see 1.5 points on the graph. We need to be able to see all the data. So first of all, if you hold down the mouse button and move your mouse, you can slide your graph around the page. And so we're going to put the origin in the lower left corner of what I can see. But even still, I can only see those 2 points. Of course, my face is in the way. Oh, we got a third point there. I'll leave it just above my face for the sake of the video. Um, but I put in 5 data points. I want to be able to see all of them. Now, if I take 2 fingers and put it on my mouse pad, or maybe you right click, I'm not sure about on the using an actual mouse, you slide up, it zooms out. Oh, now I can see all 5, and that's fine. I'm going to move it around a little bit. And my x-axis looks pretty good, actually. It's a little finicky doing it that way, but my y-axis, I go all the way up to like 25. My data is all right around 1.25. So these points, there's not a lot of room here. There's so much room above them. I'd really like it to use the space, use more of the space. I think I can move myself. Yeah, look at me go. Whee! I'm going to put myself, down here. Yeah, this isn't going to block anything for now. Um, all right, so gonna push this back down toward the bottom there. So I like where my origin is. I like my x-axis. I don't like my y-axis very much. I'm gonna click on the graph settings in the upper right up here. Click, and I'm gonna look down about in the middle here. It says x-axis, and right below it says y-axis. And see how you got that x in between negative 2.229 and 50.53. And you can see that means our x values go from negative 2.229 to a little over 50, which is fine. That's pretty representative of our data, which goes up to 41. But my y-axis, all my data is around 1.25, and this big y value of 37, that's way too big. So let's click on that and get rid of it. And my y's, they're about 1.25. We want to choose something bigger than that, but not too big. I'll choose 2. That seems good. Now I've got my origins moved up. So the lower end of my y values are the problem. So on the right, I've got 2. On the left, I want to get rid of this. Just put 0. And then if I want, I can slide this all up a little bit. That's not so bad. Now my data is kind of toward the top of my graph. It's using this from 0 up through my data and a little beyond. And from 0 on the left through my data and a little beyond. Looks beautiful. My graph is now scaled to a size that I like.